Good afternoon everyone, this is Eva from Kingsbridge Performance and 4x4 here in a beautiful sunny North Yorkshire, and today I have for you the stunning Audi S5 Quattro, finished in that stunning Daytona Grey, one of the most sought after colours in the Audi range. Now this is a 2016 66 plate Audi with just under 40,000 miles on the clock, 2 owners and full service history. And I must say, the condition of this car is superb and it does not look like a 2016 car. It also has the facelift model inside, giving you the bigger screen and the cup holders at the front, which I'll show you. First thing I'm going to say is those stunning huge 19-inch alloy wheels, diamond cut, with those huge 6-pot black brake calipers with the S5 look. If I just go a bit further, you can see how good the condition of those alloys are. You've also got, I would say, about 6mm tread on each tyre. We'll just go round. I think this is one of the best looking S5s I've ever seen, and in the best condition. I mean, the guy that we bought this car from, he absolutely cherished it. He gave it an Audi extended warranty, unfortunately, which is not transferable, but you can extend that from £77 a month. He's given it a full Audi service history. He even had the original Audi cigarette box, you know, for your ashes, because he was so pernickety about it. Because I'm actually just going to go close now, because I just want to show you how good the condition is of these cars. I haven't actually seen an Audi in this kind of condition. Look at the here, normally this all fades and rusts, but look at that. I'm just going to go as close as I can, because that is how good the condition is. I mean, you got this, it was never gone through, the car has never been through you know, a car wash or those people with the cloth. He's only got it detailed, and it's ever been filled with premium fuel, be it either Shell or BP. And let me show you the paintwork. Look at that. No swirl marks, which is what you would normally get when you go through a car wash. No stone chips, hardly any. Well, actually none, to be honest with you. Maybe a little one. I can't. I'm just even going to go down to the side. This is how good this paintwork is, and I'm actually going to zoom in so you can see. Got the stunning LED matrix headlights as well. It's ridiculous. You would never think that this is a 2016 car, because the condition is just superb. So I'm going to grab the keys. We'll just go through the car, because I don't think I can open the boot here. Well, actually, instead of grabbing the keys, we'll just open the boot right there. So you've got the warning triangle there, boot all in superb condition, and you can also hang some of the shopping nets in a little thing. I don't know where it's gone. Here, these little things here, you can hang that shopping net on there. He's also shown me that you can lift this. Oh, sorry, I'll have to remove the shopping net. But this little hook here, you can actually hang it on here. Excuse me, the little grass in the back. It's literally just come in this car, so we will give it a good clean. Even the exhaust, he literally polished the exhaust. He said to me, when I had nothing to do over the weekend, I used to just polish the exhausts. Don't think I've ever seen anything in such good condition for a 2016 car. I mean, normally everything's covered in moss. All this is normally fading and corroding. Not on this one. Right, so let's go to the exterior. I'm actually just going to zoom out so you can see. So you've got the rotor grey leather seats, all diamond quilted, with a cup holder there, and 4-zone climate control. You've got electric massage memory seats. Sorry, they're not memory actually, because they only invented the memory in 2018. They are electric. Even the sill plate, all really clean, not scratched or damaged. Excuse me the dirt, that's just my feet. Metal pedals, Bowers and Wilkins sound system, carbon Atlas, all the rotor grey leather with contrast grey stitching, auto dimming, folding, heated mirrors. He also said that this has dampening control and suspension, but I'll list the full specifications in the advert. You've got those stunning super sport seats in the rotor grey with the diamond quilted stitching all around and all in superb condition. The all important flat bottom steering wheel, heads up display, auto lights, carbon Atlas. Right, so let me just go in and I'll show you what it's got. So you've got the 360 camera now. Obviously, because the door's open, I'm going to close that. There you go, 360 camera. You have the parking assisting pack plus with the park assist. You have your drive select, heated seats, adaptive cruise control, which is just that one there. You have, excuse me, my minds have lost me. Bluetooth, there we got there in the end. Virtual cockpit, which didn't come in a lot of the 2016 Audi, so this is a huge upgrade. You've got the shift paddles there, the heads-up display there. You've got your center armrest, all in good condition, which I believe, there you go, you can push it back or forward. You've got the wireless charging with the 2 USB and AUX port there with smoking pack. I haven't seen any of these in the cars in a long time, but yeah, he wanted it because it was an optional extra and it came with the ashtray, which the customer insisted he needed because it makes the car the carbon Atlas everywhere. It doesn't come with a book pack, this car per se, because Audi stopped doing them, but you do have the locking wheel nut and I have all the paperwork for it. What else do we have? You can also check the service intervals on the car just by using the menu button here. You've got I think you've got Apple CarPlay as well. I'll have to check. Let me just see. Audi smartphone interface. I don't know, actually. Don't hold me to that because I'd have to check. I don't know if they did Apple CarPlay on the 2016 models. But I'm sure it could be added because you've got the upgraded screen as the other 2016 non-facelift. The screens were in here and it looked very ugly. You've got your map, your navigation, your media, your sound settings. This also has ambient lighting. That's your driving mode, vehicle settings, steering wheel buttons, seats, exterior lighting here, background lighting. You can choose the color you want and put it to how bright you want it to be. So at the moment he's put it on blue. We'll go back. You've got central locking, and if we go back here, you've got your driving assistant. So you have the speed warning, parking aids, heads-up display, adaptive cruise control, distant warning. So if you're getting too close, the car will stop. Or if, let's say, you're reversing and you don't see somebody, the car will come to an automatic halt. I've forgotten what that's called. Traffic jam assist, so it will lead you on. If you haven't moved, it'll tell the car to move on, especially with adaptive cruise control. You've got Audi Presense, Audi Side Assist, Lane Assist, rain sensors. It's got everything. I think this is the biggest spec I've ever seen of a car. You've got the auto dimming mirrors here. You've got your emergency assist, which you can get with Audi if you carry on servicing the car at Audi. It comes with and you get an extended warranty. You get Audi Assist with it. So let's say if you're broken down somewhere on the road in a dangerous place, Audi Assist will locate the car and will come out and get you from wherever you are, even if it's just changing a tyre because your tyre's bust. I think that's it. I mean, there is a lot here. Like I said, you've got I've forgotten what that's called, but if someone's blind spot assist, there we go. Gosh, got there in the end. keyless entry, exit and start. This is honestly, yes, like I said, the matrix LED headlights with the daytime running lights. It's just insane. This car is absolutely beautiful. You would never, if you change the plates to put a private plate on, you would never guess that this is a 2016 car. It's just beautiful. If you're interested in this car, don't hesitate to give us a call or email us at info@kingsbridgeautos.co.uk. Thank you for your time and have a great rest of the day.